Hello guys, Nani's here. I'm a bit embarrassed to do this voiceover, but who cares? It's easier to walk you guys through this studio tour by talking here, so let's start. I had a separate art studio before, but unfortunately I'm still a starving artist, so I couldn't afford to pay extra rent every month. I've been working from home full-time since 2016 and I have my paintings and art supplies scattered all over the house, but for this video let's focus on my main workspace, which is my bedroom. Let's start with this art supplies cart trolley. Most of the other creatives got theirs from IKEA. Mine is from $2 shop. The price is not $2, but it's still half price cheaper than IKEA. Next, computer desk. I got this beautiful L round shaped table for free. Yes, recycle baby. 10 years ago I saw this table on the side of the street near my house, so ring ring, I just called my housemate to help me to drag this amazing treasure inside our house. It has an extended round table which I dedicated for my stickers. Near the windows, I have things to keep me alive: vitamin C, hand sanitizer, lotion, and water. I also keep bits and pieces from my childhood. This is the rack where I put art things I often use. It has to be reachable anytime I need it. My favorite Japanese gouache, my favorite ink. Most of the paintings are my old works. I display a few inspirational quotes to remind myself that I'm not the shittiest and laziest person in this world. Grumpy cat! Hello, my other persona. I love collecting my portraits drawn by my friends. Here's my old 2000 iMac. She's a grandmom now. Very slow. I only use it to do my admin activities like replying emails, updating my online shop, and watching movies. Here's my baby. Elegant, sleek MacBook Air, where I do all my design freelance work. A lot of shades, good shit, more art supplies. I keep it organized inside this cabinet I bought from IKEA and containers from $2 shop. Move to workstation desk where I do all the packing. Usually I just stand and grab everything I need to pack the orders, like bubble wrap, packaging box. There's still more available ceramic waiting to get adopted. Here's my newest body of work I did at Diet Studio. I got an artist residency at Diet Studio Collingwood from January till April, but due to lockdown in March, I brought this sculpture back home. As you know, my biggest fan is buying art supplies and books. I had a bookshelf before, but I get rid of it a year ago. I collected encyclopedia books, vintage magazine, a lot of books about plants and animal. Not surprised, but more books about art and design. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment anything here cause I'm so fucking bored at home in this isolation time. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.